this is question number 2. It states as follows: find the value of each of the following when a is equal to 2, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to 3. Now the first question is we have to find the value of a times of b positive c. Now what is the solution here? A is equal to 2, of b is -1, followed by c is 3. Now first you solve the quantities inside the parenthesis. So -1 added with 3 would give you 2. 2 multiplied with 2 would give you 4. So 4 is the solution for this question. Now there is the next question. What is that? 4 times b squared negative 2 times ac over a positive b positive c. Now what is this? In place of b you substitute -1 raised to the power of 2 negative 2 times. A is 2, substitute that. C is 3, substitute that, divided by A is 2, B is -1, and C is what? 3. The denominator 2 added with -1 will give you 1. 1 added with positive 3 would give you 4. -1 squared is going to give you positive 1. 4 times 1 would give you 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. You have a sign negative. 4 added with -12 would give you -8. This has to be divided by 4. 4 divides 8 2 times. You have a negative sign. So -2 is the solution for this question. Okay, so fair enough. Now let's move on. Now the next question is change the, let me write the heading, change the following statements into algebraic expressions. Okay, now what is the first statement? States 4 times, I'm writing the statement, the sum of x and 5. 4 times the sum of x and 5. So what is the meaning? 4 times the sum of. Whenever you say of, you place the parenthesis. That's the meaning. Okay, 4 times is there. 4 times of what? The sum of. Okay, this is the representation, parenthesis, of x and means plus 5. So this is the solution. So if you have to rewrite this, it's going to be 4 of x positive 5. So that's the solution for this question. Question number 2, 16 larger than the product of A and B. 16 larger than the product of A and B. So what do you mean by this? 16 more than the product of A and B. So product of A and B means A times B. 16 larger. Okay, so it means we have to place in the value of 16. So where are we going to place it? So next what you got to do, simply add 16. So if you were to rewrite this, this is going to be AB positive 16. So that's the final solution for this question. So let's move on. Now the next is we are expected to solve this equation. Solve the equation 15 negative 4 times x is equal to 2 times of 3 times x positive 1. So foremost bring all the x on the left and the numbers on the right hand side. So this is 15 negative 4x. You distribute this 2 throughout. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 1 is 2. As I told you, bring all the variables to the left and the constants to the right. So this is a constant I'm talking about, 15. So this is negative 4x, negative 6x is equal to 2 negative 15. This would give you negative 13. These two can be added, that would give us negative 10x. Both the sides are negative, so you can convert it into positive either by multiplying by -1 or dividing by -1. Now we need to get the value of x. So divide by 10 throughout. So that would mean you have 10x divided by 10 and you have 13 divided by 10. So 10 gets cancelled, giving you x is equal to 13 over 10. Since you're dividing by 10, this means x is equal to 1.3. So you can box that result. Now this is the next question, students. We are asked to factorize. This is 2d. Factorize 6a squared b cubed positive 12a raised to the power of 4. And we got one more question. 2 times m squared positive 9m negative 5. Now we consider 6a squared b cubed positive 12a raised to the power of 4b. Now I'm going to take 6 out, and then the least power of a is 2, and the least power of b is just b. Now this would give you b squared, and this would give you 2, and a squared. B is already taken out. So what have we done? We have actually factorized a squared b cubed plus 12a raised to the power of 4 times b. So this is the solution for this question. Now the next is we are expected to factorize 2m squared positive 9m negative 5. Now this is a little bit, I would say, caution is required. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use quadratic technique. So m is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b squared negative 4ac divided by 2a. So my m will be negative 9 plus or minus root of 9 squared negative 4 times a times c. So this is what I got, divided by 2 times of a. Now you evaluate these values. So negative 9 plus or minus 9 squared is 81, negative positive, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40. So divided by 2 times 2 is 4. This would give you 121. So 121 root of plus or minus 9 with a negative sign divided by 4. Now square root of 121 is 11. So you have a positive 11 over 4, which I can actually rewrite this as 11 added with negative 9 will give you 2, and you have to divide by 4, which is going to give you 1 over 2. So therefore m is equal to 1 over 2. Now this is the root, not a factor. Now you got one more also, negative 9 negative 11 divided by 2 into 2 4. So this is 20 divided by 4. So this will give me negative 5. So m is equal to negative 5. Now you have to write it as a factor. So therefore how are you going to write it? So 2 times m squared plus 9m negative 5 is equal to, this is going to be 2m negative 1, and this is going to be m positive 5. Now if you want to check, you can check. See, 2 times m gives you 2m squared, 2 times 5 gives you 10, negative m, that's 9m, and negative 1 into 5 will give you negative 5. So that is the solution for this question.